Getting it on the snap cut. Boys. This boy got the wild geese. It's still better than summertime out here. No fucking mosquitoes. It's not 137. I can put on enough clothes to be warm. To be butt naked out in the summertime, it'll still be hotter than fuck. No snakes. Just all animals that are good. Or nothing.